Number 1. What is a backhoe loader? A backhoe loader is a construction machine with a front loader bucket and a rear backhoe used for digging and loading. Number 2. What are the main components of a backhoe loader? Front loader, backhoe arm, bucket, cabin, hydraulic system, and stabilizers. Number 3. What are the uses of a backhoe loader? It is used for excavation, trenching, loading, material handling, and small demolition works. Number 4. What are the advantages of a backhoe loader? It is versatile, cost-effective, easy to operate, and suitable for small to medium construction projects. Number 5. What safety precautions should be followed? Use stabilizers properly, ensure trained operator, maintain safe distance.